Bí an airgid mhór ag play literal le féimireachta mar sin de hanig bun Seán nniu hiag an Comórtas Náisiúnta Treabhdóireachta le feicil ceir faoi lig atá sé. Hey, cén price tar seo?
Excuse me, what are you doing the tractor?
Is it not for sale?
No way.
Céir Carvasú.
Ronan Connell says let's more on the column Gamas.
Ronan Industrum cén fear hanig tú an Seán nniu.
We have a hundred to my brand or not the north, the blend to my zeros. We said my going to get hacked to us because my serious Nela, I was near my gobbers to smoke the consoles in the atmosphere. A crack my zero to go to
Agus tá sé maina bhfuil.
Hot shine. So you could ask me smoke on the legs of like a cap point, team from my zero. Was that tonight cancer was the intake was an atmosphere my zero. We have a hall until a push nickel heart.
And bheadh sem go ceanna ceannach tú hé mas tú.
Well, my chuin na fiesta gnish gimmo. Tossing go gan my can.
Well, Maris the Wood June Tackers war can't on Larna Hura Fina Karen Electric. Well, Fecker Shaw lads, Ta and Tow Jarrag Longo May Street Sen Hogan to sheets in her file, Suez go Gacade Quagaton, go electric and ish. Now, Conasa Iron Mayor Rasherish. Well, PG, we're walking right in and we have to say we're very attracted by this green machine beside us here. Tell us about it.
Yeah, that's a new launch machine. It's not even a production model yet. That's just a demonstration. It's a new model 860 Avant. So it's the biggest of those micro wheel loaders. That machine, would you believe, has over 200 different attachments. So they perform every function, everything from hedge cutting to grass cutting to trailers, you name it, we have it.
Who doesn't show read?
No, Hannah showed their me Captain Kuwait and Kador.
It's big business, eh? And ish being the man and Shaw, being working with the excellent Shaw. And Gurn Shin is Shackert no my lad.
Near her, but because currently Baim on Fairmore, I thought it was Hollywood, you know, so I thought she like Tall Talk.
You wine go on the Fairmore rigs after with Ellen Shaw, Acton Arm and Shaw Kamai Des. Listen, Kertata or Shulog of Shin Shaw.
So we've got a recruit stand here at the National Playing Championship. We've got a couple of vehicles set up. We've a boat from the Naval Service. We've a MOAG armour personnel carrier here that we're standing on top of, as you can see.
So Martin, they hung quick Kurlesh and Lay. Lads, in shots, Chief Awalia. Lads.